Hello dear students, as we have completed our exercise 5D, today we are going to start our exercise 5E. We have studied how to add, subtract and multiply two algebraic expressions. In this exercise, we are going to study how to divide the algebraic expressions. So let's start. Simplify, and this is your first question. You have to divide the algebraic expressions. So for dividing the algebraic expression, first of all expand the expression. In the numerator you are having 9x to the power 7. This can be written as 9 can be written as 3 into 3, and x to the power 7 can be written as x to the power 5 into x into x. Why I am writing x to the power 5? Because if I am convert this x to the power 7 as x to the power 5, numerator and denominator will be cancel. It is up to you that how you are expanding the algebraic expression. But if the same algebraic expression you are having in the denominator, so expand in that manner that the numerator and denominator should be cancelled. So when you will expand the numerator, you will get this 9 as 3 into 3 and x to the power 7 as x to the power 5 into x into x. And when you will expand the denominator, this will be as it is 3 into x to the power 5. Now as you can see that 3 can be cancelled. X to the power 5, x to the power 5 can be cancelled. Now what is the remain? Remain is 3 and x into x will give you x square. So this is your answer. Next question. Expand this. First of all expand the numerator. 15 can be written as 3 into 5 and then a to the power 7. Here in the denominator it is a to the power 15. So we expand a to the power 15 in the terms of a to the power 7 for the cancelling both of them. So write it as it is. Now in the denominator 3 will be as it is minus 3 into a to the power 15. Expand it in the power of 7 so that they both can be cancelled. A to the power 7 and a to the power 8. A to the power 15 can be written as a to the power 7 into a to the power 8. Why? Because the base is same, so the power will be added. Now you can easily cancel. Minus will be cancelled. 3 into 3 will be cancelled. A to the power 7 and a to the power 7 will be cancelled. Now what is remain? Remain is 5 upon a power 8. When you will take this numerator into the denominator into the numerator, the sign will change. The power will become minus 8. This is also correct. This is also correct. Only the writing purposes are different. But both are same. Now the next question. Expand the numerator and then expand the denominator. 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Now here x to the power 4 and y square. X to the power 4 can also be written as x cube into x. You can also, if you want to do the cancellation directly, you can also do. But maybe you will do anything wrong. That's why I am expanding the expression. Now what is in the denominator? 9 into x cube and y will be as it is. Now this 9 will be cancelled. X cube and x cube will be cancelled. This y and y will be cancelled from 1y. What is the remain? From the numerator, this 2 is remain, x is remain and 1y is remain, because 1y is cancelled from the denominator. So your answer will be 2xy only. Next question also, the divide. First of all expand the numerator. When you will expand this, minus will be as it is and 35 can be written as 5 into 7. And x to the power 8, I am expanding x to the power 8 in the term of x cube so that both can be cancelled. X to the power 8 can be written as x to the power 3 into x to the power 5. Now y square I am expanding in the term of y square. Y to the power 9 can be written as y square into y to the power 7, and the denominator will be as it is. Now when you will cancel it, minus minus will cancel, 7 will be cancelled, x cube will be cancelled, y square and y square will be cancelled. You will get your answer 5 x to the power 5 y to the power 7. Next question. In the next question, the denominator is in the decimal. So first of all, for removing the decimal, multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 10 for removing the decimal. When you will multiply, in the numerator you will get 100, and in the denominator 0.1 into 10 will give you 1 only. So that's why I am not writing the 1. In the numerator it will give you 100, and in the denominator it will give you 1. Now expand the variables. X to the power 20, we can write x to the power 16 into x to the power 4. Y to the power 7 can be written as y cube into y to the power 4, and z4 will be as it is. Now in the denominator, x to power 16 and y cube will be as it is, and z to the power 9 can be written as z to the power 4 into z to the power 5. Now start cancelling. This will be cancelled, y cube will be cancelled, z to the power 4 will be cancelled. This will be remain, and this will be your answer. Why z to the power minus 5? Because z to the power 5 is in the denominator. When you will carry the z to the power 5 in the numerator, this sign will become negative. Next question, first of all multiply the numerator or just expand them. This is your first bracket and this is your second bracket. Now this is your first bracket, and a to the power 7 can be written as a cube into b to the power 7. Why I am writing this? Because they both can be cancelled. Now after that start cancelling. 3 will be cancel, b cube will be cancel. Here a cube is there and here 2a square is there, so 1a will be as it is. So after this, here b cube and b to the power 4 will be cancelled. In the numerator only 1b will be there, so a square upon 2b to the power 4 will be your answer. Next question D is, first of all cube it. Cube the numerator and square the denominator, because here it is a cube and here it is a square. So when you will cube the numerator, minus 2 cube will give you minus 8. And then x square cube, just multiply the powers. This will give you x to the power 6. Then y cube will be y cube. In the denominator 6 square will give you 36. X square will x square, and y square whole square, multiply the powers, y to the power 4. Now just expand the numerator and denominator. This 8 can be written as 4 into 2. X to the power 6 can be written as x square into x to the power 4, and y cube will be as it is. 36 can be written as 4 into 9. X square will be as it is, and y to the power 4 can be written as y cube into y. 4 will be cancelled, x square will be cancelled, y cube will be cancelled. Minus 2 x to the power 4 upon 9y will be your answer. If you want to cancel the expression directly, you can also cancel, but first when you will expand the expression, there will be less chances to get wrong. So your exercise 5E ends here. Solve more and more questions. I have left so many questions for you for your practice. So solve more and more questions. Thank you.